the price of petrol increases by 25%, find by what percent a person should reduce his consumption so that his expenditure does not increase. We solve this question by two methods. First, we will solve it by a formula, and the formula is R into 100 divided by R plus 100. Here R is that percent by which the rate has increased, and this gives that percent by which the consumption has to be reduced. So we put the values like this. R is the rate by which the price has increased, that is 25%. So we write 25 multiplied by 100 divided by 25 plus 100. This is equal to 25 multiplied by 100 divided by 125. 25 cancels 125 for 5 times and 5 cancels 100 for 20 times. So this is equal to 20%. Thus, for not increasing the expenses, the consumption has to be reduced by 20% if the price of petrol increases by 25%. Now we will solve the same question by another method. Q2 into R2 equal to Q1 into R1. Q1 is the earlier quantity when the price was not increased, and R1 is that rate when the price was not increased. Now Q2 is the final quantity when the rate has increased, which is R2. So we put the values like this. R2 is now 25% above the previous price, which is R1. So we write like this: Q2 into 100 plus 25 is 125. 125 upon 100 into R1 equal to Q1 into R1. R1 cancels. Q2 equal to 100 over 125 into Q1. 25 cancels 100 for 4 times and 125 for 5 times. This gives Q2 equal to 0.8 of Q1. In percent term, this is 80% of Q1. Q2 equal to 80% of Q1. It means that you have to reduce your consumption by 20%. Therefore, reduction is equal to 20%. We solve it by another method, a shortcut method. For the total amount, we know that quantity multiplied by the rate. If the total amount remains constant, it means that the rate and quantity are inversely proportional. We write P for the price and Q for the quantity. The new price is 25% above, which is 125%, or in fraction term we write it as 5 upon 4. Now, if the price has become 5 over 4 or 5 upon 4, then the quantity should become 4 upon 5, the reciprocal of it. It means that the quantity should become 4 upon 5 is 80%. Now the quantity should become 80% so as to have the final expenditure to be equal to initial expenditure. It means that there should be reduction in the consumption by 20%. 100 minus 80 is 20%. This way we can easily solve this question by the concept of price and quantity being inversely proportional if the expenditure has to be constant. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.